Hello guys, today I'm going to solve a beautiful algebra problem. We are asked to find this expression when x squared and y squared are given by these two equations. Let's solve it step by step. We start by labeling these equations as 1 and 2. First, we subtract the second equation from the first one. Left side can be simplified by this expression, and we factor out 2023 on the right side and rearrange the terms to factor out x minus y and get this. Now we can cancel out x minus y from both sides to get equation 3. This equation is very important to find a solution. As you can see, if we calculate a square of both sides, we can get x squared and y squared. In the meantime, we have the multiplication of x and y. That's why we need another equation to combine them with this and find this expression. So we multiply equation 1 by y and equation 2 by x. The new equations are named as 4 and 5. We subtract equation 5 from 4 to get this, and we name it as equation 6. Let's simplify the right side. We can cancel out these two terms and rewrite the equation. So the equation 6 is simplified as this, and then we can factor out x minus y on the left side and replace the right side by this expression that we know from algebra. To cancel out x minus y from both sides, we can factor out a minus sign from this term, like this. Now we can eliminate x minus y from both sides to get equation 7. So on the right side, we have x plus y. But from equation 3, we know that x plus y is 2022. So we replace x plus y by 2022. And the product of x and y becomes minus 2022. These two equations are the pillars for solving this equation. So in equation 3, we take the square of both sides. We can write the left side as x squared plus y squared plus 2 times xy. But the first and second terms are the terms that we need to find the solution. Instead of xy, we substitute minus 2022 like this, and we move this term to the right side. Now we can add 1 to both sides to find what we need in this expression. We just need to calculate the square root of both sides. But before that, the right side of this equation is 2022 plus 1 to the power of 2. Now the right side is 2023 to the power of 2. We can take the square root of both sides of this equation. On the right side, the square root can be cancelled out by exponent 2. As a result, the answer is 2023 and the problem is solved. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe the channel for more problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching.